Hey guys, Wilson from Anchors Away Travel. Gonna give you a little walkthrough here of Villa Del Mar, a little boutique hotel in Providenciales Turks and Caicos. We're staying here for one night before we head over to Beaches Resort. So I'm just gonna walk you through a little bit here. Going through it's the front entrance, getting into the lobby. Hello. It's pretty much comprised of 3 buildings: the A building, the B building, the C building. We've got great size patios, as you can tell. It's got a nice garden. I mean, beautiful palm trees, beautiful landscaping. So we got this nice pool here, just fairly deep actually. And then they've got a hot tub. You got an area to get your clean towels and put your dirty towels. You got a little bar area here, but in the morning it converts to a little continental breakfast, which is free with your stay here. And this is the other pool. I would call this a little bit of a quiet pool. Very shallow. Nice seating. And as you can see, the rooms up there, they've got huge balconies. We're staying in a studio right now for one night. Hello, good morning. So it's a very small property, but great. You just want to stay for a short stay, or you want to go to the beach. As a matter of fact, the beach is right across the way here. So we're gonna take you there. So we're gonna go back through the lobby, and we're gonna cut through an easement at the Grace Bay Club, which is one of the most famous hotels I should say, in the world. It's beautiful. So it's right across the street.
No, I mean,
wait, I didn't wake up until 8:10.
So basically you just walk through and you cross the street. And like I said, there's a little beach access here at the Grace Bay Club. So it's really like a 2-minute walk. Very quick, very short. As you can say, this property is absolutely stunning. Palm trees, beautiful flowers, great architecture. So we're just walking down this path, and there's gonna be a little restaurant here on the right-hand side. Again, where you can have some nice breakfast. So this is not part of Villa Del Mar, but we're allowed to cut through this easement to get to the beach. The nice thing is, but when you get down to the beach, they've got towel service. They got a reserved section for the guests at Villa Del Mar, and they've got towel service. They've got drink service. They'll bring you drinks that you can sign to your room. But this is the Grace Bay Club. Another great option here on Providenciales Turks and Caicos. This is their pool, the rum shop bar.
What's your name? Terry. Everything is great. Yeah. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
All good.
The pool table. What's up, my man? Good morning. We got showers here. As you can see, they've got all the lounges, umbrellas, nice cabanas. This is for the Grace Bay Club, actually. Beautiful beach. They've got a trampoline that you can pay for for the kids or for yourself. And if you come just a bit down here to the left, you're gonna see the section for the Villa Del Mar, where you can get, again, drink service, lounge service, towel service, pretty much any service you want. You can have them set up excursions or tours for you. And here's their little spot right here. What's up, my man?
Morning, sir. How are we doing this morning?
Good, how are you?
Amazing.
I think I met your brother yesterday.
My brother, yes, sir.
What's your name?
Karon.
Karon.
Yeah, man.
And Wilson with Anchors Away Travel. How you doing, man?
Okay, I'm doing amazing, sir.
Good. You want to tell these guys a little bit about what you guys do here?
Well, here where we do our beach service right here.
Yeah.
We do provide it with chairs, towels, umbrellas. We got ice cold water right here.
Okay.
You guys interested of doing anything in water sports activities? I also take care of it. We also do a full bar service.
Okay.
Back from Villa Del Mar.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Great.
So you come on the beach, you come and you see Karon, and Karon take care of you.
Fantastic. Thanks, buddy.
Fantastic.
Good seeing you, my man. Have a
Yes,
great day.
sir.
All
You
right,
too.
Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, man.
All right. So yeah, they got these beautiful cabanas here. It's just a beautiful property. It really, really is. As you can see, the world's best rated beach year after year on Grace Bay. Let me take you a little closer to it. So you can see, usually it's very, very calm. It's got a little bit of motion going to it today. The water, it's probably hard to tell from this video, but the water looks like it's photoshopped in person. It's absolutely crystal clear, just beautiful. Vision of the entire beach here a little bit. It's just awesome. Anyway, that's our tour of Villa Del Mar. A little quick walk through a Grace Bay Club and the world famous Grace Bay Beach. All right, guys, till next time. Anchors Away Travel. Have a great day.